We are here at the E-DA theme park, which was built up by the E-DA Development Corporation. And we opened this park with a number of new attractions, and including the big air. We look for a thrill coaster for our outdoor park because our outdoor park is not very big. So we talk with the Vekoma rides. They make a custom design for this ride, and their design is totally met our requirements. Big Air was designed for the thrill seeker, especially for young people in this park. And we have the two remarkable towers at the head of the 16 meters, and the train will be pulled by the cable system to the top of the tower. This is a new design, especially for the turning of the train. It's very impressive to the passenger. And the train with the 24 seats goes down with the speed about 108 kilometers per hour. Opened in the year 2010. The Vekoma rides sent a special engineer to our park to help us to the construction. We have a very good experience to work with them. Even after we finish the installation, the Vekoma engineer can use the internet to connect our control system. In case the E-DA engineer needs some support from the Vekoma rides. This ride opened a half years later than this park, and it brings a lot of guests and more attendance in this park.
Oh.